Alright, we're going to do mission 9 of 10. I'm sorry, 8 of 10. Request mission. Some envoys have asked for safe passage. They're afraid of Tahamar, and they want a good pilot to pick them up and deliver them safely. You're it. So we're going to escort. Fly to the hotel your agent mentioned and retrieve the VIPs. If something is amiss, then report back to your agent. Location is in Jovelin, and here the icon you see here is going to be it's going to show you what pirate faction you're fighting. In this case, it's the Guristas. Our rewards will be 2 overdrive injector systems, which will make our ship go faster. Okay, let's accept and undock. We don't need to equip anything fancy. We still have some guns, just in case anything does go amiss. We'll close this conversation window and click warp to location on the left.
Warp drive active.
Now, I'm not sure what we're going to expect. We're just here to pick up some people. Some VIPs. Here we go. We need to approach the habitation module pleasure hub. Alright. Ship computer. I detect no life signs within the habitation module, and the communication services in the adjacent security tower seems to be down. I suggest approaching the Hotel Kim to have a better look. Let's click it. Well, that's the beacon. Where's the actual pleasure hub? So we can just click around here. So to add the large collidable structures back, you can right click on one that you find and say add large collidable object to overview. Actually, that's not what we want. There's a difference between large collidable object and large collidable structure. Let's see if we can find, here we go, add large collidable structure. So you can see why I turned it off. There's lots of them. But here we can see, maybe we're looking for Hotel Kim. There it is. So there's the actual object. It is right there. Hotel Kim. Let's approach it. You can also find it over here, and you can right click and approach even if you don't know where it is. And you can click look at, and it'll zoom in right there so you can see exactly where it is and click it. Okay, so something bad's about to happen. Let me clear these from my overview. So I'm going to right click on each one of these and remove large collidable structure. Okay, so what just happened? Some bad guys showed up. Oh wait, there's a cargo container. Let's open that real quick. The janitors. We got 10 janitors. Alright, let's save them and get out of here. We're taking a bunch of damage. Okay, I'm going to click on the station, dock, and I'm going to get out of there as soon as I can.
Warp drive active.
And so when you have enemies that have the red blinky around it, it means they're targeting you and they're shooting at you. The yellow icon around them means, I think it just means they're targeting you, but they're not actually firing on you yet. Anyway, we got out of there. We didn't have to kill them. And we can confirm by going to our start menu, activities journal. Oops, did I miss it?
Docking permission requested. Docking
I clicked
request
the wrong
accepted.
thing. My mistake. Well, we're already here, so let's just start the conversation with them. Start conversation. And we are done with the mission. Complete mission. Excellent. Now we can go to our inventory, and we see our 2 new overdrive injector systems. Now if we open our ship fitting window, and we look at our attributes here for our ship, at the bottom in the navigation section it says 393 meters a second. That's how fast our ship goes, just by standard. So you can see here with the afterburner it says max velocity without 393, max velocity with 847. So that 393 corresponds with our base speed. Then we turn the afterburner on, we'll go 847. So let's equip these 2 and watch this number here. We're going to go from 393 to 429 to 455 with all three. So now that we've got 3 overdrive injectors, we're going 455 base, and with our afterburner, we're going 980. So we're going to go much faster now. One thing to note about stacking modules like this, there is a penalty when you do that. So the first one, you'll get 100% of the effectiveness. The second one is something like 87%, and then it continues going down dramatically as you add more and more. So adding 1 is good. If you add 2, you're not going to get the full effectiveness, but you'll still get a lot of it. If you add 3, you're starting to diminish it a lot and more as you go. So just be aware of that, so you don't get the full benefit if you just stack up 5 of the same module. But in some cases you still want to do it, like in your industrial ship, you may decide to just stack all expanded cargo holds because you just want to maximize cargo. Okay, well, we're done with this mission. In the next video, I'll request and we will do mission number 9.